Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. So it is December, so it's that Christmassy time of year, and actually this is the time of year when the brands are kind of bringing out their newest lines for 2020, and a few little bits and bobs are starting to hit the market. So we're going to be taking a look at what is new for December 2019, even though this is kind of 2020 stuff. Anyway, if you're sort of struggling for a Christmas gift idea, then these are definitely a gift idea. We also have a gift idea video, obviously. Click on this link up there to see that. But here's some brand new stuff that your diver in your life definitely won't have because they're brand new for December. First up, we have a limited run of our Simply Scuba dive mug. So we got 4 different designs. This is the dive mug, which is nice, simple, sort of white with blue. We have my favorite, which is hashtag Flappy Snag Hazard. If you don't know what that means, then you need to watch more of our videos. Life is an adventure mug, and a nice simple black mug. And my second favorite, which is our cave diver shark. It's got a big old shark on it and a scuba diver going through it. So a nice little sort of gift, especially for sort of Secret Santa or something. Something to go in the sort of Christmas stocking. These are our own brand diver's mug. Next in, we have the new Tovatec T3500S. So this is a quite sensible sized torch, but it is ruddy powerful. So 3500 in the name, of course, suggests the lumens, and this, as you can see, is a pretty bright torch. So as a primary dive light, yeah, very powerful. I've just got to figure out how to switch it off. And yeah, rechargeable battery on the inside. You can recharge it through the body as well. It's got a sort of separate battery compartment, or you can take that rechargeable battery out. It's pretty solidly built. It's very simple. It's a tough dive torch, but it's nice and bright as well. Next up, we have the Shearwater Petrel. So the Petrel 2 has had an upgrade for this month. So now it comes with a titanium bezel all around the front, which gives it a snazzy new look and is much tougher. So you don't have to get a sort of protective outer sort of casing to protect it from sort of bumps and scrapes. This is going to sort of protect it if you want that kind of rugged sort of finish to it. Smart little dive computer, and yeah, new in for December. Keeping with Shearwater, they've had a few upgrades to the Teric, so this comes in 2 new colors. Instead of just the matte black that it always used to come in, now it comes in this kind of matte blue and a matte silver finish, and they brought out a whole sort of plethora, good word use, whole bunch of different sort of colored straps, so you can sort of swap the straps out and really customize it to your sort of colorway. Next up, it's not very exciting, but this is quite handy for dry suit divers, especially if you use dry gloves. You often need a way to sort of break that cuff seal so you can equalize the glove, and just using like the thumb loop of your undersuit isn't so great. At least I don't like it. It tends to cut in. So these are silicone capillary tubes, so small little sort of tubes that just allow a bit of air to transfer from your dry suit into your dry glove. And finally, we have our very own diver's watch. So this is waterproof down to 500 meters, and it's got a smart sort of face to it, and it's got everything that you need in a sort of a diver's watch. It's battery operated, and you've got the rotating bezel so you can monitor your dive time, screw down crown, which is very important, a very easy changeable watch strap as well. This is a pretty standard 22mm sort of polyurethane strap, but you can swap it out for pretty much any of the 22mm sort of straps that are out there. It's nice and long as well, so it can fit over a wetsuit. And we also have a little sort of watch donut case. We don't call it a watch donut case, we call it a premium sort of watch case, so you can fit your sort of diver's watch or your sort of watch size dive computer in it. It's padded on the inside. It's that kind of semi-rigid material, so it's going to keep it safe when you're transporting it or when you're storing it away. Okay, so they are a few new bits and bobs for December 2019, but what was your favorite? And are any of these going to be under the Christmas tree for you or a diver in your life? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and of course, safe diving. And ending on a high, we have the SEAC Guru dive computer. So this is a watch-sized dive computer that comes in a bunch of different colors. 4-button user interface makes it really easy to use, and it has lots of stuff crammed into it. So whether you're a free diver or a scuba diver, it does everything that you need it to, all in a neat little package. So there were just a few new bits